Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Today what we will be discussing is how to make YouTube Shorts using 2Short AI. Actually what we're going to do is we're going to take a YouTube video and convert it into many small YouTube Shorts that we can then later upload on our YouTube as well as we can upload it on any other platform like Instagram in the form of Reels. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google and type 2Short.ai and then click on 2Short.ai AI YouTube Shorts Generator. This is what you will be seeing. Elevate your content with AI generated YouTube Shorts. Let 2Short.ai extract the best moments of your videos and turn them into performing short clips that drive views and subscribers 10 times faster. So, you will be starting by signing in. This is what you will see after you click on sign in. Welcome back. Please log into your account. I'll be continuing with my Google account. You can also add your email. You can follow what suits you. Okay, so I'm logging in. Next thing is you will see a variety of things that you can do using 2Short AI. It can be used to make short clip, unlimited video ideas for scripting like script writer, script outline, rewrite script of any video, then upload and optimize video title, video description, video chapters, video tags. There are many things that you can do using this 2Short AI, but what we will be doing is making short videos. So I'll be clicking on short clip maker. Now you can see the portion of drop a video link. So this is very obvious. We need to drop the video link here of the video that we want to generate shorts of. So I'll be going to my YouTube and I'll be copying the link from there and I'll be pasting it here. So let's see. Okay, this is the page of Pro Recruit Learning Society from where I want to take a YouTube video and convert it into shorts. So I want to go for this, how to generate quality leads using Apollo.io. Yes. This is the video. I'll be copying the link from here and I'll be pasting it here. Now you can see processing is starting. Fetching video transcript. Please wait. This may take a few seconds. Okay, so what AI is doing, it is like trimming out the best ideas, the best short clips from the video that can be used to make the best view, the best to get the most out of the views. Okay, so here are your shorts. We have generated the following shorts for this video. So now you can see this that it was a short video, so there are like 4 shorts, but using a longer video will give you more shorts. Here you can choose the part which you want to work on, which you want to use. You can see the script, how it has detected what was the content in the video and converted into text so you can read it and choose it. Okay, so I will be choosing this one. The difference that in the free version the maximum bulk data. Others are, so supposedly we are looking for companies in Pakistan. Okay, the thing is, I'll be choosing any one of this, but I can again edit it. I can increase its length, decrease its length. I can trim the video. I can do whatever I want with it. Like the editing is still, we're gonna do it. It's still left. It's just, this is just the point of view or just the idea of AI that it is suggesting us to choose one of these. Okay, so I guess I will choose. Let's choose this one, a 19-second long video. I'll be clicking on this arrow. You can see here, you can see the video, the that exact part of the that video that we will be working on. So I'll be clicking on edit and export. It is taking some time. Almost done. Okay, now you can see the short and you can see the portion here where I can trim the video. I can increase or decrease its length. I can adjust the part that I want. And here you can see the more editing tools, just like adding the subtitles. Okay, now the thing is, the AI has already detected the subtitles as you have seen before when we were choosing the part of the short we want to work on. You saw the subtitles there. Here you can choose the type, or you can say the visual effect of the subtitle, the style of the subtitle, and what style it should be visible. Then you can choose the subtitle transition. You can choose word highlight, which word you want to highlight, none, current only, up to current. And then you can choose the color. Here you can see it's blue color. And then you can see the subtitle splitting, like how the maximum number of letters I want to show in my subtitle to make it clear. Okay, obviously, I should be choosing a mediocre number of letters, because otherwise it might be very too small or too large to confuse the subtitles. Okay, these are some other options, some emoji settings, some emoji transitions, and other settings that we can use to edit our short and make the best out of it. Okay, so I'll be clicking here and I'll be listening to what the part says, and then I'll be working on the. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, now you can see that the sentence is still incomplete, but the short is finished. So I can just increase its length. I can do it like this, and I can then shorten it from the start as well. So this is what I can do. Okay, this is how I can change its length. I can crop it. I can here choose the style. Should it be portrait, square, or landscape? I can use auto crop as well. Auto crop is basically AI suggesting you what your short should look like according to AI. Here you can see the autocrop feature is designed to speed up editing process by automatically detecting faces and ensuring that the active speaker remains centered. So this works in the videos there are many where there are people who are speaking, and obviously when if the video stays at one point, all the people by speaking might not come in front of the camera. So that is what autocrop will be doing. But right now we just have a screen display, so it's not much work for autocrop. Okay, so I'll be choosing here, from here. Do I want portrait, scale, or landscape? I can work on this as well, and I can add new layers. I can delete the things. I can crop it. We'll do further editing on it. Okay, okay. Let's just stop here. You have to purchase the premium plan for that. Okay, so this is the short from the YouTube video I extracted, and I want it to be this. Okay, now let's change the subtitle style so you can have a better idea how to do that. I guess I like this one. Now you can see how they have changed the subtitles. Okay, so now that I'm done with the editing. I'll click on export, and for now it's saying that your export usage quota has been reached, because obviously I did some editing before and I don't have the pro plan. I have not upgraded to that because I'm using the starter version. But if you are using the pro plan, or if you are using the starter version for the first time in that day, you will be able to export that. So after exporting, you can then upload it on your YouTube, or you can uh, upload it anywhere you want. Basically, this was the whole process by which you can get a YouTube short from a YouTube video with auto-generated captions, with auto-cropped video, with giving you the maximum amount of help an AI can give. So this is the best way to convert your YouTube video into a YouTube short. So this was all for now, and we'll be moving on to further detailing of the generating of more types of videos. So stay connected to learn more. Thank you so much.